So I think we're gonna probably combine a little bit. If we're not gonna combine, we're going to basically empty everything so when Pat gets back we can keep chopping. Alrighty, time to move this thing. Ooh. See how good my backing skills are. Alrighty guys, gonna pull this around so we can dump grain carts into this thing. Alrighty, there we are. Alrighty guys, so I am going to dump some grain. This is still wet corn we had out of the field. This is wet corn we had out of the field, so I'm gonna dump it, then go grab the grain cart, fill this semi up and fill this hopper up. It's all good because the goal is I'm gonna try and fill this wet bin back up. That's the goal. So Brian's gonna hop in the 8-row 2588. And I'm gonna go dump this red grain cart. Man, it's been a while since I've dumped in one of the, I've been in the grain cart. Looks like I'm getting thin down there. Should probably dump. Opening my spout. Maybe I'm not. Maybe the gate closed. That's what I'm guessing, because I'm dumping in right now and nothing happened. Let me go check that. Yeah, the gate closed. There's definitely plenty of grain in there. That'll work. Yeah, this thing just gravity pulled it down. Well, that's pretty neat. I'm dumping and I'm dumping. I'm empty. That thing's full. Let's close that down just a touch. Just a smidge. It'll be good. So I think we're gonna combine until this bin's full. Which got the bottom indicator still on, but it's concave instead of convex. So we'll have probably 3,000 bushel to go in this thing. It'll be good. It's the chopping crew ready to roll when we actually can go again. Who knows when that'll be. Alrighty, closing it up. I'm ready to roll as soon as this semi empties out. Alrighty guys, just got dumped. Now let's head out of here. Let's go catch Brian. The Case IH 400 HD. Sorry. Well guys, it's not chopping, but I mean, it's been a while since I've been in this tractor. And I do like this tractor. It's definitely my favorite of the two grain cart tractors to drive. Set up pretty high, plenty of power, bigger grain cart. So, go catch Brian. I think he's either on this back piece that we were just chopping on, or these end rows right here. So we'll go find him, but Love this tractor. Man, those same deer that were here yesterday, or for you guys 4 days ago, sitting right in that field again. Those butts. And there's Brian. Doing some combining. Sweet shot. Kind of up a hill into the sunset. That's pretty sweet. So guys, just kind of what we're doing right now. We decided to quit chopping because Pat had to go to practice. So just because Brian and I just have the semi set up like you guys saw earlier, I can just run into the home place, which is right there. Just see that speck. Right there, I can run there and I can dump by myself, and Ryan can keep rolling. I can keep up with them pretty, because it's only like a 2-minute drive to get there, so I can keep up pretty well. So we're just doing this short end row stuff that would be a pain in the butt to chop. But yeah, but that's what we're doing right now. And then when Pat gets back, I'm not sure what we're gonna do. We'll figure it out. It's an absolutely gorgeous night. What a just beautiful sunset. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you guys need to, because I posted some pretty sweet pictures these last couple days. Probably some of my best I've ever done. And most of them have 0 filters, and the couple that do have filters, they're not even halfway. Well, that time of the year again. Probably my last time doing this for this year. Here we go. Lights are on. Game is on. I am in a steep gully right now. Better go. We're rolling. Just pulled away from him. Gonna go back up to my perch and wait. Probably edit some videos. There he is. Oh, this is a lot of fun. I'm gonna miss this. Definitely gonna miss this time of year. Alrighty guys, it got dark out in a hurry, but I was just sitting waiting on my spot for the last 15 minutes, waiting for him to get full. Now I'm gonna pull under him and dump. Alrighty guys, I am full enough, so I'm gonna head in and go dump. Head in and go dump. Well, he's gonna continue combining. dark in a hurry this time of year. It's 5:15. Oh, we're already on the short rows. We're getting to the short rows. Sweet. Just kidding, Brian's gonna top me off a little bit, so I'm just gonna sit here and wait. Alright guys, just pulling into the yard. I'm gonna go dump this load. I got about easily 1,000 bushel on me, so I'll go dump that real quick. Alrighty guys, I'm loading right now. First load in the dark. We got Pee-wee from B&G Feeds. Check him out in St. Donatus. Great guy, great feed. So we get all of our feed and our cattle protein stuff from, so check them out. But yeah, just dumping right now. And the indicator light's still not on that bin, so we're good. Be able to go for a little bit while longer at least. This is the life, ladies and gentlemen. Farming, making videos for you guys. Just finished up dumping and I bet he's waiting for me, so I'm hustling my butt out here. Going right now at 10 miles an hour. So, gonna hustle out there and continue on. I'm guessing we got about room for about 1,000 more bushel, 1,500 more bushel in there in the bin. And then we got obviously this grain cart and another semi, so it can't be bad. He was waiting for me. Not for very long. He was only waiting for about 30 seconds because of the awesome driver skills of this guy. I don't know if you got to see the facial expression, but of this guy. Ryan is still rolling. There's a little rabbit that just jumped underneath my tractor. And I am still doing videos. Love it. I could do this all day. Whoa, going down a hill. Catching up to Brian. This 25 is just chooching along. Brian said he bent one of the snouts in the middle of the corn head, so he has to drive. There is margin of error went from about 28 inches left to right to about 10 inches left to right. So he's just gonna pay a lot of attention. And we're gonna quit after we get this finger done, so probably a couple more acres and fix that corn head. Probably call it a day, we'll see though. So that's the plan right now. If you look very closely at the center of his head, it's the exact center snout. It's closer to my way than it is the other way. If you look very closely, you can kind of see right there, that center snout. But it is what it is, we'll fix it, we'll bend it back. It's rolling on, we'll probably get another full grain cut out of this one, and that's it. But that's alright. It's decent corn. And good weather, there's not snow on the ground, so I really cannot complain whatsoever. Pretty good. There he goes. Man, these LEDs are bright. I just oogling and ogling over them. Chug-a-lug-a-lugging along. Man, today was a productive day so far. Call you back later, Dad. So I got a video rendering right now. So I finished editing a video. It's just got to render. Combining and wood chop today. Pretty good day. Alrighty guys, this is the last of it. We're just getting to the end rows. Like this is just the short rows right now, and so he's gonna do them and then head back and try and fix that corn head snout. I lied. I thought he had short rows left. I was wrong. He had a short row left, or 3 rows left. There we are. Alright, I think that might be it for the night for combining. Not quite sure yet, depending on what Pat wants to do, if he wants to go back out and chop for a couple more hours. It's only 6:30 right now, so we'll see, but like I said, those two that snout right there is bent towards me a little bit, so we just gotta bend that back. Should be pretty easy. I'll go dump this grain. It should be enough to at least get the wet bin close to being full. Not full, probably 500 bushel or so left, but we'll see. But it'll be good enough for now. We'll see what Pat wants to do when he gets back from practice. But for the most part, for right now, we're done with this strip. So that means we have 2 fields left, guys. 2 fields left. 1.5 because we were chopping in the other one. So 1.5. Alrighty guys, last dump of the year potentially in a semi. Pretty crazy. Pretty cool if you ask me though too. All good things must come to an end, so that's why we're just dumping right now, and then looks like we're gonna start chopping again because Pat's working on the chopper right now, so sweet. Alrighty guys, just got word from Pat that Seth Wilson, who we were gonna try and see if he could come out and grind corn for us tomorrow, can't come, so looks like this actually might be the last grain cart load of the year potentially, if we chop the rest, so we'll see. But anyway, I think Pat still wants to chop a couple loads, so we'll do that real quick and then call our night. Alrighty guys, so what I'm gonna do is take this grain cart, set it in this lot here, and use that other grain cart, fill up whatever I can in the wet bin, and then see what needs to happen. From one grain cart to the next. Hopping in the T8050, New Holland. Just moving into position, just noticed that New Holland just turned the big 4.0. Oh. Not too long ago. Not too shabby. We bought this tractor new. Alright guys, I'm almost positive that this is going to be my last grain cart one with this tractor. Almost positive. Good night, old girl. Been a pleasure. Alright, now time to finish dumping this. Actually, I lied. I'm going to start up this tractor first. Start up this pig. Now time to fire up this old girl. Let's move the semi back. Alrighty, so Pat's out chopping a load real quick. I'm going to sweep this up, cover this up, shut this leg off, go grab a wagon and help catch Pat. Alrighty guys, hustling up with the chopper locks, trying to catch Pat. He's waiting on me up in the corner there, so I'm hurrying. Yeah, he's definitely still waiting on me. Got a load. Just so you guys know, my GoPro's about ready to die, so I'm going to record the outro right now. Unloading right now. Unloading on the side. Watch this big pile of stuff come down because gravity. Oh yeah, really flowing out of there. Love it. I'm loading right now. I'm gonna head back. There he is, chopping away. This is my last wagon I'm bringing out to him, then I'm gonna go get dinner, then I'm gonna head home. So, just so you guys are aware, I might not come out tomorrow, so I might not be able to see the end of harvest, but I'm just glad I got these last couple of days of harvest. But all we got left to do is chop one more field after this, and then we are officially done with hashtag Harvest from Hell 2018. That will be a good feeling. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated though, but GoPro's still at 1%, so I can't record a whole bunch. Real quick now, guys, I just have a quick question for you. So now that harvest is almost over, what type of videos do you guys want? So we have plenty of cattle to move around. I know I'm doing that, but what type of other videos do you guys want? Do you guys want some equipment tours? Do you want some land tours? Some history on the place? What do you guys want? Drop me a comment down below on what type of video you guys want me to see from this channel in the off season. We'll be doing some repair work, some cattle, and some other stuff like that. But just let me know if you guys have anything in mind or anything you guys want to see. Look at all that dust, guys. I hope you guys can see this, but man, that amount of dust is just nuts. Bye-bye, potentially the last harvested corn of 2018. Bye. Now time to hook up my wagon. Thank you. Hold on for the night.
Wait until the next move.
My grandma's pumpkin pie is literally the best. Alright, outro you go. Thanks. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you guys did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Hartung Family Farms. Smash that post notification bell so I'll let you guys know anytime we post a video. And also smash that subscribe button right there as well. And, as always guys, ta-ta for now! Well guys, I just wanted to make this quick little video while I'm at home editing right now, that this is the last footage we have of Harvest 2018. This is the last video, so I hope you guys did enjoy it. It was a long, fun ride. As like I said, the hashtag Harvest from Hell was real this year. So right now it is a couple days before Christmas. As this video is being edited, it will be released here right after Christmas, but hopefully, I don't know, we still might have some tillage done this year. Definitely stay tuned, guys. It is not over with. There's still going to be plenty of videos coming out, whether that be tillage if we get in the fields. We'll have plenty of cattle stuff going on, equipment tours, really whatever you guys want. So drop that comment down below what you guys want to see over the winter, and then I look forward to keeping out some videos pumping, guys. Thank you very much.